I'm Andrea, and I am going to show you how to replace the valve flush seal on your toilet because too many people are calling plumbers and wasting money, okay? So if your toilet's running, it just keeps running, zzz, and you open up the tank and you see this little flappy thing that's round and it's off, or like you can tell that it's just not sealed. This is what we're gonna do. Okay, so my toilet is a Mansfield, and if you're like, I don't know what kind of toilet I have, it's no biggie. It says it. So I'll show you where to look. Hang on. Okay, so here's my toilet, and if I have the lid shut, I'll look right here. It says Mansfield. It also says it on the little flusher, okay? So yours will either be in the same spot or in the back of the toilet, but it should be right there so you can find out. And obviously it makes a difference. Okay, first, obviously you want to turn the water off before you do any of this, okay? So the water is down here. You're going to turn it to the right to turn it off. Rightsy-tightsy, lefty-loosey, right's off, left's on. So turn it off here, okay? Okay. So I have already taken the valve seal off, but I'm going to tell you how on this particular toilet. This whole unit, when it flushes, you hit this, and this lifts this up, which lifts that and allows it to drain out the bottom, okay? So on this unit, to get to it better, first of all, after I've turned the water off, I'm going to take this little doodah off and leave him just sitting there. Okay, now this flusher is connected to this, which lifts it. So I want to move it out of the way. So I'm going to take that out so it's unconnected. Okay, then we're going to unscrew this little guy so I can show you. Put that there. Okay, so when you flush, it lifts it and brings this up so that underneath, this is what you have. It doesn't bring it up this high, but I'm just removing it so you can see what's going on. Okay, so this down here has a groove. This round thing has a groove right in the center. And the little rubber thing was all blah and just too big, and it was like off. So first I put it back on, it worked for 15 minutes, but then it's just stretched out. So I took it off. And it turns out that not all of these little valve things are the same size. Most of the ones I saw when I went to the store were 3 inches, and that was too big. So I had to Google Mansfield toilet, and I found this. So this one says fits Mansfield, and also I took my old one and measured it to see how wide it was, and it said it was a 2-inch, and mine was a little over that, so I figured, okay, this has got to be right. So I ordered this for like $2 and something on Amazon, and I'm going to show you how to put it on, okay? Okay, so I've taken these off. Here is my seal, okay? I'm going to make sure this goes in that little groove on the bottom. So I'm just going to reach in here and put it on. And I just have to stretch it out a teeny bit, but it looks like it's exactly the right size. So, okay. So it's flush in there. Hopefully you can see that, okay. Now I'm going to replace this little thingy, okay. I'm gonna put this back through this hole so that it will flush when I press it. I'm gonna reattach this. Well, after I put this back on, screw this back on. Okay, stick this back in. Okay, and now here's the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. I'll turn the water back on, and there we go. Turn the water back on, down at the little thingy. Lefty-loosey, rightsy-tightsy, so it was left for on. It filled up. And it is not at all running. And I'll test it out here. Woo! And that's how you do that.